What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So today I kind of want to just do a get ready with me video. I don't know, I just want to do something simple, quick, and go about my day. So today's super exciting. My husband is coming home. He hasn't been home for like 2 weeks or so because of work and stuff. But he's finally coming home and I'm so excited because your girl hates being by herself. So who else is like that? Anyways, enough of that. If you want to stick around to see what I come up with for today's look, then keep on watching. Okay, you guys. So starting off with, I'm going to use my ABH Brow Wiz, and the shade that I use is dark brown. This is the packaging. I don't use the one that looks like a triangle kind of thing. I don't think I would like it. I mean, I haven't tried it or anything like that, but I just feel like I won't like it. Also, last night I tried to give my brows like a trim and fix them up and stuff. And I haven't done my brows in so long because they're like going out of control and stuff. So let me get a mirror because I can't look at this big one. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do something super duper light, nothing too crazy. Just want to define my brows and stuff. If you do hear my dogs, they are at the back. I have them in the room with me and stuff. So yeah, so how are you guys doing? Who else is loving all these fall looks that we're seeing on YouTube? Because I'm absolutely obsessed and loving them. I'm actually going to be doing a clothing haul kind of thing. It's going to be another small one, but I'm finding all these nice pieces at these stores and stuff, and I figure like, let me share with you guys what you can find at your Ross or maybe your Burlington or TJ Maxx, Walmart and stuff. But I found some good stuff at Ross, so I can't remember the other store that I went to. I'm sure it'll come to me when I do the video, but y'all, my mind, I forget everything now. It's so crazy. But anyways, let's get to these brows. Okay, brows are finished. Y'all, I absolutely hate doing brows with a passion. Oh my gosh, I feel like I know they're not like twins or whatever. They're like cousins and stuff, or however you say it, but oh my goodness, pain in the ass. Let me know if you feel the same way. So the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Frinkation palette from Dose of Colors with Desi and Katie. Their collab, really pretty shades in here. So let's go ahead and just get started and applying this to our lids because I want some shadow on our lids. First, starting off with, I'm gonna go in with the shade called Necessary, and I'm gonna apply this to my crease of my eye. Then the next shade I'm gonna go into is Churro, which is a pretty brownie shade. Has like these, what kind of tones would you say these are? It looks more like of a red kind of brown, but I'm just gonna apply that as well in the crease. Next shade I want to go into is, what am I feeling today? Maybe we should go into Girl Bye. So I had to figure out what I was gonna do. So I'm gonna use Girl Bye. I feel like I haven't really used this shade. So I'm just gonna apply this to the lid, and it's more of like a maroon shade. and it's super, super pretty. And I don't know if I've ever used it in one of my other videos or not, but swatching it, y'all, it's really, really pretty. Now the hard thing is, do I want to leave this eye look matte or do I want to add shimmer? Y'all, these decisions that we gotta make. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is go back in with my brush with no product, and I'm just gonna blend these shades all together. That way we don't have no harsh lines. Okay, I am obsessed with that shade, Girl Bye. I don't know, I feel like I haven't used that shade before. I don't know. Anyways, let's go ahead and move on to the face. This should be real quick. I'm using my No Problem Prime Essence. This is from Touch and Soul. Got this in a BoxyCharm, and I love using this before my foundation, especially with my Charlotte Tilbury foundation. I feel like they both go so well with each other. Yeah, I just love that combo. But speaking of BoxyCharm, you guys, if you have BoxyCharm or you don't, I'm gonna go ahead and link my referral code down below if you're interested in getting your BoxyCharm. But today, for what is it, for 48 hours, they're having where you get to choose one out of the two products that you're wanting for your November BoxyCharm, and one retails at $90 and the other one retails for 50 bucks. One that retails for the 90 bucks is a serum that is like a glowy kind of, it's supposed to make your skin like nice and glowy and stuff. And then that one's from Kypress. And then the other one, I can't remember the name of it, but BoxyCharm has had it in their box before. So but that one is for your eyes, and that one's supposed to be for like anti-wrinkle around like your eyes and stuff. So I went with the Kypress one because one, I was super, super excited. I've heard of the brand, but it's hella expensive, so your girl's not gonna buy that. But so I just ended up choosing that, and I can't wait to like hopefully get it in my BoxyCharm because that's what I chose. And that's just such a cool thing that BoxyCharm is doing, because you get more involved, and I mean, you're paying for it, so it's cool that you get to choose, you know, like certain products and stuff. And yeah, I think it's really cool. If you guys interested, check in the description box down below. They are raising the prices to $25 for just the base box, and then they go up to a box that is $35, and then you have your Boxy Luxe, which is staying the same price, which is 50 bucks. So so you got your options there, and you don't just have to choose one box. So say if you want the base box and the second box, I forgot what they're naming that one, the premium box I think is what they're naming it, then you can have both of those, and then you're gonna be getting two boxes, and you're gonna be getting like different products and stuff. At least from what they're saying, I'm hoping like, you know, each box is still gonna be like super different. I don't know if you're gonna get duplicates or not, but yeah, that's my little spiel on BoxyCharm, because I'm obsessed with them. Yes, and I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow. Very obsessed. This is so nice and so fall, and I am here for it. The rest of my face and stuff, pretty much everything is like the same with the bronzing and everything like that. So let's move on to our lower lash line. I was contemplating on what I wanted to do, but I think I want to smoke this bad boy out and pretty much do the same thing that I did on the top lid on the bottom and just blow it out. Let's smoke her on out. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this. I'm so excited. Alright, so going in with that first shade that I used called Necessary. we're gonna go in with that. I probably should zoom you guys in. Whoop. Hello. Hopefully this lighting is okay. We're just gonna apply this to our lower lash, and make sure you connect that lower to the upper where it's already smoked out at the top. Okay, and then the next shade that I used was Churro. So we're gonna go with Churro. And I'm gonna try to apply this as closely to my waterline as I can. And smoke her on out. These shades are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. Do I have another small brush? And I'm using all like smaller brushes. That way I don't use like a big fluffy one and just get product everywhere. You want to use a pretty small, precise brush. Next shade I'm using is the shade Girl Bye, which is the shade that we have all over our lid. And I have an even smaller brush, so I can for sure focus this closer to the waterline. And then what I'm going to do is go back in with the shade Necessary to further on blend and smoke these shades on out, because Necessary is the lightest shade. Okay, y'all, so I went off of camera and I finished the rest of the makeup look. I'll go ahead and list these products down below, but I use my lip liner, Anywhere Caffeine from Makeup Forever, and then I use my H&B Cosmetics Can't Deal lip gloss from Holly Boone. She's a YouTuber as well, and she has her lip glosses. The packaging is different. This is when she first launched, but she still has like these colors and stuff. So that's what I used on the lips. I wanted to use a matte lipstick so bad, but I figured let me do something different and add a gloss. And then for the lashes, I did use the Tati lashes in TL3. They are my absolute favorite lashes. They're so wispy and just long and fluffy and just really pretty. I absolutely love them so much. You probably still can see some glue. My glue is still drying because I just applied them and stuff. But yeah, this is the look that I'm gonna be wearing all day today, and I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I hope you guys love it as well, just as much as I do. And yeah, comment something down below. Let's chat in the comment section. I love chatting with you guys. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will greatly appreciate it for you guys to subscribe to the channel and everything like that. Let's keep on growing, and I'm having so much fun with creating some content and stuff. Hope you guys are enjoying it as well. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.